And I have no doubt that whatever comes your way, you're going to get through it together as a team. But I also want you to know that you're not in this alone and that we're here to help you. We're here to support you.
She's also one of the most caring, generous, supportive, and fiercely loyal people that you'll ever meet. Keiko, I can't put into words how grateful and lucky I am to have been born your little brother.
And we think that Dan has done many, many things that were accomplishments in his life. I won't bore you with them, but I think that the smartest one that he did of all is to marry this lovely woman, Keiko.
I'm very happy that she chose you and you chose her. I think you guys balance each other off very, very well.
When they are together, Danny exudes an ease and lightness about him, and it's in those moments that I am certain he's as happy as I've ever known him to be.
I love you so much, Keiko, and I'm so glad that you found someone to spend the rest of your life with that's equally kind and caring.
You bring out a lot in him and he brings out a lot in you, and you guys just match each other very well. So I'm excited to see what you guys bring in the future, whether that's children, a cat.
Let us all raise a glass to the happy couple and wish them a lifetime of love, happiness, and adventures together. The best years of your lives are still to come.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss one another. To introduce to you for the first time as officially married, Mr. and Mrs. Miana Sullivan! All
right! Wedding day is a big milestone in any relationship. As we affirm our commitments to each other in front of our family and friends, all of you.
Mom, you have not only given me life, but have showed me the importance of being kind, patient, and resilient. You have taught me the importance of family, values, and the power of a strong foundation.
I can't wait for what comes next. A lifetime together, full of love, food, and adventure. I love you, always.
Dad, you've also shown me love, but expressed it as tough love, the type where you cry and learn from your mistakes.